Section 10, subsection 1, clause C. Supply does not involve movement of goods. Place of supply is location of the goods at the time of delivery to the recipient. Where the goods are physically held, where the goods are physically located, the place of supply is the place of supply. What is it is, sir? How we should understand it, sir? I will give the practical example, not a simple example. Simple example means what? I am a C of Chennai, having the place of business in Mount Road, Chennai, where I am selling the washing machines. You are came all the way from Bangalore to Chennai and purchased the goods from a shop where I sold this shop, the goods to you, where the movement of the goods are not there. Therefore, location of supplier Chennai, place of supply Chennai, liable to pay IGST. That is an intermediate example. Now I am going to present here supply does not involve movement of the goods. Place of supply is equal to the place where the goods are actually held or located at the time of delivery. At the time of delivery. Explaining to you, my dear friends. Where here N limited is lessor, lessee. Financial is for 10 years. Throughout the lease period, lease rental comprising two elements. One is called principal, other one is called interest. Two elements comprising as a lease rental paying by lessee to the lessor throughout the financial lease 10 years. And why I mentioned 10 years? Because the asset substantial life is 10 years. Therefore, such a financial lease always spread to the extent of life of the asset. Throughout the year, lease rental paid by lessee to the lessor. Lessor is a supplier of service as referred under the Schedule 2. Supplier of services. The entire lease rental, including principal amount, will attract the GST as a supplier of service throughout the 10 years. Now, at the end of the 10th year, the asset will be returned back to lessor in general, unless lessee exercises his option to acquire the asset. If the lessee not interested with that asset, the asset will return back to lessor. There is no title transferred. Suppose at the end of the lease period, if the lessee wanted to exercise the option to acquire the asset, lessor bound to sell the asset, which is a unique phenomenon of the financial lease. Lessor cannot say, no, I want to get my asset back. You cannot say. Once you given the asset on lease, throughout the lease period you enjoyed the principal and interest as a lease rental. At the end of the lease period, if the lessee wanted to acquire the asset, you bound to sell. Thereby, in the given example, lessee namely wanted to buy the asset. Lessee now want to buy the asset. Which is located at Hyderabad in the premises of the H Limited. Now, what happened? Asset has been sold. Sold means sale taken place, sale of goods. Seller is NBFC, buyer is H Limited Hyderabad. For that particular supply, what is the place of supply? For Mr. N Limited means where the goods are actually held and located, because there is no movement of the goods here. The goods in the premises of the H Limited, he want to buy the same asset, thereby only documents of title transferred on the asset title on the document, where the title has been transferred through document, through paper, from N limited of NBFC to H limited of plus C. The supply taken place, in that case, place of supply is equal to where the goods are actually held without movement of the goods. The place of supply taking place, in that case, it is Hyderabad. If it is in Hyderabad, location of supplier Tamil Nadu, place of supply Hyderabad. Therefore, they are liable to pay in the given case C, which is I referred by deciding under section 10(1)(c). That's why I told you it is called as a professional type of approach for your level.